Hey everybody, on today's episode we're going to be modifying this EGR valve tube and cleaning up this gas tank to get it ready to install. So I hope y'all stick with us and enjoy this video. Guys, show you real quick what I got done. There's the tube all welded up and installed, so there's that. Alright, so alright guys, I'm going to show y'all. That's the gasoline that I put in there and let it soak. And that's what it come out looking like on the first batch, so hopefully it'll look better on the second one.